Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to see me do a tutorial on how to draw Kale with the Bulbasaur hoodie, let me know. Well, let's get into the video.
Hey everyone, welcome to my second video. Yes, I'm in my car today. I'm actually doing work during my lunch, so I actually have no time to do it at home right now. So welcome to my second video. Thank you for coming back. Today we're going to be doing Kefla as Black Widow from the Avengers. So this month I kind of took it upon myself to do crossovers for Dragon Ball and Marvel, since Avengers Endgame is coming out at the end of the month. So I already did Goku Iron Man, and I did Vegeta as Captain America. So now I'm going to do Kefla as Black Widow. So I already did a rough outline for Kefla as my first layer. So I'm going to put the opacity down, and then I'm just going to draw over that. So yeah, here we go. I'm going to start again, just drawing over the outline. I wanted to do Kefla base form because I don't think that one got as much love in the show. She was there pretty quickly as just the base form, but as the hair, I wanted the red hair as in Black Widow's hair. So I wanted to give her the SSJ God form as well, which you'll see coming up soon when I start coloring it in. Inspiration for her outfit, I took a picture of Black Widow, Scarlett Johansson, from Infinity War, and I like how she had like the dark army type suit, and I wanted to put that on Kefla. But I did want to change the colors up a little bit. I want to make it a little more brighter, since this is Dragon Ball. It's all about the colors. So right here I'm doing her gauntlets, and then making the finer details on her jacket. So now I make her weapons right here, made the belt, and now we're gonna start coloring her in her base colors. So as you can see, I did again get pictures from Kefla and SSJ God Goku and Scarlett Johansson as Black Widow, and I'm just taking the colors from there and just putting it onto my piece here, which I always find much easier to do than just going on the color wheel and searching for the colors. Alright, there's her hair. I think she looks great. I think she looks great as SSJ God. The base obviously is gray, and I did want to use the pink because that's part of her uniform colors anyway, the pink, and I just wanted to make the green because I thought green stood out a lot more. Yeah, second video, it's pretty good. I'm trying to make the third video as fast as possible. I do want to start putting out more videos for you guys. My first video is actually doing pretty well for itself. It's like 800 views at the time of recording this, so thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. I honestly didn't think you would even get 100 views, so. Alright, so here I am putting the lines for her hair now. I do that on another layer because I didn't want it clashing when I do the shadows. So that's one tip of drawing sand hair. You know, make it a little easy for yourself. Here I'm going to put the third layer of shadows, make it much darker than the second layer, just to give more depth into the art piece. So for like the third layer of shadows, you could do highlights. So you could do the brighter color like I did on the shoulder pads, or you could do the darker color as well. On the background, like I know it's fast here, but it actually took me like 30-40 minutes just trying to come up with a background that I actually liked and I thought matched the picture. I didn't even like the nebula, didn't like that at all either. So, and I ended up just doing a swirl effect of this pattern that I'm putting on right now. Right there is a swirl, and I added another layer of that, but instead I used red, and then I made the background more black. So there it is, coming together nicely. Man, she looks great. Holy crap. So good. So, yeah. That's some good stuff right there. Yeah. I mean, you just gotta enjoy the completion of when you do an art piece, because it does take like hours at a time. And I just love how this one came out so well. Very good. I hope y'all enjoyed that too. So, yeah, make sure you guys subscribe for more, and I'll try to do as many tutorials for them as I can, because I do find it an interesting crossover. So yeah, thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share, do whatever y'all want. See you.